Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll talk about determinant of a matrix. Determinant of a matrix. Say we have a matrix A, which is a 3 by 3 matrix. The first element is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now, the formula to find out determinant of this matrix A is equal to, here actually you can take any row or any column. Find out. Say if we take the first row, it will be A11 multiplied by its cofactor C11 plus A12 multiplied by its cofactor C12 plus A13 multiplied by its cofactor C13. Or you can find out A using, say for example, the second column, the first element is A12 and multiplied by its cofactor C12 plus the element A22 multiplied by its cofactor C22 plus A32 multiplied by its cofactor C32. Or you can take any column or any row to expand it or to find out determinant. Now here, instead of writing this, we can write A11 M11 as I plus j is an even number, cofactor is equal to minor, plus A12, here 1 plus 2 is an odd number, so cofactor will be the negative of minor. Negative of what? Minor M12 plus A13, again M13, as 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, which is an even number, so cofactor and minor both will be equal. So here we have A11 M11 minus A12 M12 plus A13 into M13. And for this one, this will be minus A12 M12 plus A22 M22 minus A32 M32. Now here why we have a minus sign? Because the element here is A32. So 3 plus 2 is an odd number, so cofactor will be negative of minor. Now if we take an example, say E is a matrix which is equal to 4, 2, 3, 1, and this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Now what will be the determinant of E? Element 4 multiplied by its cofactor 1 plus then the second element 3 and its cofactor. Now if we look at this element, it is in first row and second column, 1 plus 2, which is 3, an odd number, so as its minor is 2, its cofactor will be minus 2. So what we have? 4 minus 6, therefore minus 2. Say we have a matrix B which is equal to 2 minus 1, 1, 1, minus 2, 2, 1, 1 and 1. And if we take the first row to find out the determinant of this matrix B, which will be element multiplied by its cofactor minus 2, 2, 1, 1. Here cofactor and minor both are equal, Then we have plus element is -1, and the cofactor will be equal to the negative of the minor, because this element here has an odd position. That means if you add number of row and number of column, if this element is in, you will have an odd number. So here we will have a negative of the minor, which is equal to 1 1 2 1. Then we will have plus element is 1, and the cofactor here will be 1 -2 1 and 1, because here for this element cofactor and minor both are equal. So here we will have 2. Then if we multiply, then we will have, this is -2 into 1, -2 into 1. Then we do the same operation. Here we can say -1 into 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1 into 1 minus 2, and here 1, then we have 1 into 1 plus 2. So here we will have 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 plus 3. Therefore we will have -8 minus 1 plus 3, and the result will be -6. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.